My name is Ditylenchus. I'm the molecular biologist at PGRO. I'm going to talk about the molecular services we offer for soil-borne pathogens and pests. PGRO offers rapid tests for the detection of brassicae clubroot, pathogen in soil, and stem and bulb nematodes in seed, soil, and plants. Clubroot, caused by Plasmodiophora brassicae, is a disease that affects vegetable brassicas and oilseed rape. Clubroot is characterized by the formation of galls on roots, where the pathogen multiplies until the release of long-lasting resting spores to the soil, affecting water and nutrient uptake. This causes stunting of plants, which often wilt in dry conditions or die off completely. Released spores can survive in soils for more than 15 years. Some oilseed rape varieties are resistant to clubroot, but resistance has been breaking down in several areas in the UK. There are no resistant vegetable varieties. Hence, disease management is only achieved through lengthening of rotations. The soil test we offer at PGRO is used to quantify clubroot spore numbers in soils. Based on a risk table originally developed by the University of Worcester, the test can help planning rotations by avoiding fields with high risk of disease development. In Richard Dungate's experience, a Swedes grower who has been using the test since 2017, galls are very rarely formed in fields with 5,000 or less spores per gram soil. Counts between 5,000 and 20,000 spores per gram soil in large fields tend to reflect hot spots of clubroot, but can lead to gall formation in smaller fields. Richard's recommendation would be to avoid growing Swedes on land with more than 10,000 spores per gram soil. Stem and bulb nematodes, Ditylenchus dipsaki and Ditylenchus gigas, are seed-borne and free-living microscopic worms. Both pathogens sustain sub-zero winter temperatures, summer soil temperatures of 55 degrees, and can survive in a desiccated form in plant debris, seed, and soil for decades. Plants infested by nematodes are stunted, showing swollen, twisted, and brown or rust-red colored stems, thickened and brittle leaves with bronze discoloration in the petiole. Mature pods of infected plants are usually black, shriveled, and unevenly filled. Seeds develop poorly and are often blackened. Infestation can be caused by infested seed and bulbs or contaminated soils. A single infested seed can contain more than 10,000 nematodes. Over 20 biological races of Ditylenchus dipsaki are known to infect more than 450 crops and weeds. Oats, onions, garlic, leek, chives, and shallots are amongst the most known host crops. Typical symptoms include swollen base of seedlings, twisted and malformed leaves showing raised pimple-like spots. Ditylenchus gigas, a major pest on field beans, is more damaging to beans and more frequently found in seeds than any other species. The damage caused by this pest can be devastating since nematodes reproduce rapidly, potentially leading to significant yield loss. Pest management is achieved through crop rotation of at least 5 years, with control and removal and destruction of bean straw. Only nematode-free seed should be used. For many years, a seed test to detect the presence of stem and bulb nematodes has been available at PGRO. Our new molecular test allows the detection of nematodes in soil samples with a detection limit of 10 nematodes per 100 grams soil. The test also provides species identification from both seed and soil samples. This information can help determining field risk for infestation prior to planting, implementing specific management practices, improving crop performance, and reducing the presence of pests in rotations. If Ditylenchus gigas presence is confirmed in soil or seed, PGRO recommends a 10-year break and weed growth control. If you wish to send samples for clubroot testing, please sample randomly a minimum of 20 locations per field from 5 to 25 depth of soil. The resulting sample should be 1 kilo of soil. If you'd like to have your seed tested for nematodes, please collect a total of 1.2 kilos of seed from at least 20 random locations across the seed lot. With seeds from more than one field, please consider separate samples from each field prior to bulking. The best time to collect soil samples for nematode testing is either autumn or spring after rainfall. As before, sampling a minimum of 20 random locations across the field provides a representative sample of the same. The result should be 2 kilos of soil. All samples should be sent with full field reference and grower contact. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for more technical advice, sampling guidelines, and information on our testing service.